Welcome. In this video, I'm going to go over how the symmetry of a curve can help us in integration. So in this video, I'm namely going to go over f of x equals cosine x. Now recall, this is an even function. This tells us that f of negative x equals f of x. It also tells us that the graph is symmetric about the y-axis. So if we were to fold our paper in half here, we should get the same image on either side of the x-axis. So there's the graph of f of x equals cosine of x from negative pi to pi. We really, I think I only asked you to sketch it from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, so let's label that. Here's negative pi over 2. Here's positive pi over 2. Okay, now how can we use this sketch to determine the value of this integral? Or at least to help us determine the value of this integral? Well, my poor sketching abilities aside, this region here is equal to this region here. They are the same size. If you don't believe me, you can get a sheet of paper, put some paint on one side to make this curve, fill it in all the way, fold it in half here, and you'll end up with a mirror image of it on this side. All right, so that said, how can symmetry help us? Well, since I know this area here and this area here is equal, rather than integrating from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, I can integrate from 0 to pi over 2 and just double that. So this is 2 times sine x evaluated from 0 to pi over 2. So this is 2 sine pi over 2 minus 2 sine 0. This is just 0. And sine of pi over 2 is 1. So we end up with just 2.